genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy! He went to school with us!
He's the one! I need to open the gate between here and rock and world. I have to stop him!
Oh man, there's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell. Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever!
Why did you do this to my school?
What, you didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey! Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on you, dude!
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may your ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now! Bingham, Telly's Wash, Lingori, Yellum, Tobal, Ellie, Moriform, Tokum, Cab, Bingham, Cali, Swag.
No, he's not! Don't get him! No! That's
Sensei!
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way! I did it! All right, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.
I think you're dating this kid. I'm gonna fucking head case.
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa?
Order, Master! Come on!
What are you laughing at, dickhead?
Let the ritual commence!
Let's play.